Hey guys, this is really cool what I'm about to do. It's, you can, like, Google, you can change the letters of Google. Here, I'll show you. All you have to do is just type in GOG-LOGO. And you click the top search. You type in your name. And then you click create, and voila, Mr. Mad Catz. Then you can Mr. Mad Catz search it right here on the search bar. See? Search right there. Alright, that was GOG-LOGO, and good night.